How can HR managers and talent developers be better equipped to deal with technical training and competency requirements?
See, usually HR managers and so-called talent managers, while they have a lot of inputs through their training on the leadership and softer skill front, usually they have no exposure to technology unless they have been technocrats themselves. So what I would recommend is that organizations which are dealing with technocrats and technology should have a technocrat HR who understands technology and the difficulty level of things. And basically HR should not be judging everybody by same yardstick of some number of achievement, etc. There is always a difficulty level in all the targets. How does one assess the difficulty level, for example? Unless the fellow knows how difficult the job is. Say, suppose you have to maintain a very big, very complicated press, new technology press. What is the difficulty level versus if you have to just make some delta increase in the market in certain district? Okay. Now, if you have to compare two individuals, one from there, one from here, the one from management background will have a better position because HR and the people who are rating will understand that achievement better than the technocrats. Technocrat and designer, how was the difficulty in designing certain thing? Somebody who is not a designer, he will never understand. And because he will never understand, he will never be able to assess it properly. So that goes, and why I always say that technocrat's job is grossly underrated in industry while managerial job is grossly overrated. Because the rating is being done by managers themselves, so they are rating themselves, so they always tend to rate it high. There is another syndrome in industry that whatever is the domain of boss, suppose boss is from marketing, he thinks that everybody should do marketing. Just like when your PM was a farmer, he said everybody should do farming. Okay. So people think, the bosses think, super bosses, that whatever was their domain expertise, everybody should be doing that. If the guy is from finance, he thinks everybody should do finance, everybody should know finance. So likewise, yes, if you have a technocrat boss, probably there would be drive for technology. But that is usually not happening in India. The bosses are more from either HR or finance or marketing or some other corporate function. And they are ill-equipped to assess the technology even, forget dealing with it. So these handicaps are there.